Welcome to CopyMate Pro Max training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to use AI Article Wizard. Go to the left menu and click on AI Article Wizard. Now you are on AI Article Wizard section. Just enter topic, number of topics, maximum topic words, keywords or number of keywords. You can also use advanced options to get more perfect result. Just click on Generate Ideas and your idea will be generated. Click on your desired idea. Now fill all the required details. And click on Generate Outlines and your outlines will be generated. Click on your desired idea. Now generate talking point. Now fill all the required details. And click on Generate Talking Point and your talking point will be generated. Click on your desired idea. You can add or remove any talking point if you want. In next step you can generate images by inserting keywords or prompt. Click on Next Step and your article is ready. You can view your generated article in Document section, where you can view, edit, and export your article. Thanks for watching the video.